Glamours, and in today's video we are doing a GlossyBox unboxing. This is April's edition. I actually have used something in April's box because I didn't know what it was first of all, and when I found out what it was I was like, oh my god, I need to try that. I've used it for 2 days and I actually do enjoy it. It does feel a bit tightening, but we'll get to that. So this is Woke Up in Spring. This is the leaflet you get, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 products in here. You get 2 deluxe sizes and 3 full sizes. So let's get into the box. I've already opened it, so let's open it again and do this unboxing. Like, I love unboxing, guys. I don't know if you do, but I love unboxings. I love GlossyBox unboxings. So the first thing that I have actually used that you will actually get is a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Gel Botanical, ultra gentle botanical face cleanser in Morning Dew. Now I've used this twice and I do like it. It cleanses, uplifts and brightens your complexion. Packed with superhero ingredients, this gentle cleanser will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. Black winter truffle extract fortifies the skin with powerful antioxidants, enzymes, while traditionally Brun botanicals refresh skin and dissolves impurities. Papaya extract also brightens and minimizes the appearance of blemishes while improving the appearance, texture and tone of skin. So this mini size is £1.98. Full size is 200ml and it is £18.29, and this is from skinandco.com. So basically I have been using this for 2 days and I actually like it. I do feel like it's a bit tightening around my skin, where basically it's trying to, you know, smooth your skin, you know, uplift your skin and everything. I do feel like that. I'm like, okay, this is a bit weird, but I actually do like this. It looks very good. It does feel really good. It's made in Italy as well, which I do love. Anything made in Italy, it's kind of bougie, you know, but I do love this, and it is a great little product to use. I do run out of that. I have no idea if I'm going to repurchase it, but if I do, I'll let you know. The next thing we do have is a Paris, and it's a liquid blush. Now this is just a liquid blush. It is a vegan formula. Normally with vegan formulas, I sometimes have a hit and miss with them. Sometimes I can use them, and sometimes my skin is like, no, you can't use that, Charleane, I'm sorry, you can't. So I haven't tried this yet, but I will try this on camera for you. It is a very nice tone. I do like the tone. It's like it's that colour, and it looks really, really beautiful. I haven't been a fan of liquid blushes. I sometimes use them and like, oh my god, this looks nice, and sometimes when I use them again I can't use them because I'm just like, what? So a liquid blush. Then you get a antioxidant eye contour cream. Now, so basically it is an eye contour cream, and it's hydrating the under eyes while also eliminates small lines around the eyes. Okay, so I have to use this. I find lines underneath my eyes and I think I should try this out. So basically on the back here it just says how to use. Apply small dabs, gently massage into skin. So this is for your eyes. So it's coming to me as an eye contour cream, like it's for your eyes. It also helps balance skin tone and brightens your delicate under eye area. So I'm going to have to try this out. I can't open this now. Just let you know, this was sealed. When I opened this wasn't sealed. It was just like that. But I can't use this right now because I've got 2 eye creams on the go at the minute. But once they are done, I will use that and tell you more about that. Then we have something that is from Sofia Marbella, something like that. It's an eyeshadow quad, and this is worth, I couldn't believe it when I found out this is worth. So this is a small palette, okay? It's small. I've never heard of the brand, and this is £25. I looked at it and it's like, £25 for this. Like, this small little plastic thing is worth £25. They're the colours. The colours do look nice. 2 shimmery, 2 mattes, but it's £25 and it feels cheap. It feels really cheap. It feels like something you get from the pound store or from Primark. It does feel cheap, but I wouldn't pay £25 for this. And this is the Aphrodite palette. I'm going to use to see what it's like, but if I don't like this, I'll probably give it to someone else, or it can go, because I don't think I'll reuse that. The last thing we have in here that I am excited to try, because I don't really use bath salts, okay? The product is bath salts. So I don't really use bath salts. And this is for -41770 Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Salt Bath. This is vegan. So I've never used bath salt. You put 2 full spoons into the bath and allow it to dissolve. Apparently it smells amazing fragrance. Listen to yourself. And the plant sources beauty you can sense. So I actually am going to try this. I haven't opened this yet, but I am going to try to see what I think of it. But have any of you used bath salts in your bath? Because I haven't, and I'd love to know what you think of the bath salts. So yeah, we've got a pack of bath salts. Bath salts, the deluxe size is £2.17 and the full size is 500 grams, which is 10, 20, 24. Now if I do like this, I probably will repurchase this. And I might repurchase the cleanser as well to see how I go with it. But these are the products that you get in the GlossyBox this month. Hopefully you do enjoy this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.